we have this little guy. Okay, come here.
He's a little insecure. That's why he's laying in the litter box, because we just got him home. And this is baby Russell. He doesn't have a name yet, so they're just identifying him by our last name. But he is a long-furred. He's already neutered.
We have a cat named Brother, and he looks exactly like this guy.
So he's going to be back to SICSA on July 25th. If anybody wants to adopt him, he's really docile and sweet.
Yeah.
But he's just getting used to his new environment, and he'll be out in the house in probably an hour or two once he feels safe and secure with us. And I really don't like when they use the litter box for their security blanket, but that's what he's doing. So that's our latest one, and Amelie will update you later.
Bye.